Hello everybody, I'm Frugal. Welcome to day 82 of this Japanese linguistic quest. This trimester will be the final 21 days of phase 1, which is to build a foundation of the Japanese language. Let's make it count. Today I will be looking at day 19th of the Japanese Core 2000 deck, step 4. And on the side, I'm also working on my second reading of the Tae Kim Japanese Grammar Guide. As usual, if you have a mnemonic about any of the kanji, please don't hesitate to share it. Gaikokujin, yeah. People from outside the country, okay.
外国人、日本に住む外国人が増えています。
Yeah. 日本に住む right? Live in Japan. Person from outside the country, and then increase. Yeah. The number of foreigners living in Japan is increasing.
道路、
Alright, this one is new from yesterday. Doro. It means road, right? Yeah. Doro means road. Yeah, so I guess the pronunciation is pretty unique, you know. So if I were to write road in katakana, I think it would be like Rodo, yeah, and then this pronunciation for this kanji that means road is the reverse, right? Doro, yeah. So I guess it is pretty easy to remember. I also like the fact that this one here, the neck on the road, right, and it itself is the road, but yeah, it makes the sound do here, and then we have this one, neck, yeah, okay, this one. Neck road, and this one measurement, right? This is from the introduction, right? Do you, right? So I like the fact that this one and this one both make the sound do. Yeah. And then for the actual new kanji, we have this is the pattern mean leg. Yeah. Oops. This one is leg, and this one is with the winter and the bumps. This one is every, right? So leg and every somehow equal road, right? So yeah, every road lead to Rome. Yeah. So you just have to pick apart and break a leg. Yeah. So yeah, road, right? Roll from road and roll from roll. Yeah, that's how you make the pronunciation mnemonic. Yeah.
この道路は3年前にできました。
Yeah. This road 3 years ago, and then complete. Yeah. Yeah. Deki master here is Deki, right? We previously learned Dekiru in the capacity that being able to do something. Yeah. So from yesterday, I guess it is a meaning of like be complete, right? Yeah. So another kinda different layer of meaning for the same word, Dekiru. Yeah. Yeah.
地球、
Globe. Yeah. The globe.
月は地球の周りを回っています。
Yeah. So
月は地球の周りを回ってい
the
ます。
moon around the earth and like spin or rotate. Yeah.
月は地球の周りを回っています。
Yeah. So I guess Mawaru, right? This Mawaru. Yeah, Mawaru, and then this Mawari. So it feels like it could be the noun, right? The noun. Yeah, the noun. This yeah, same thing. This one is verb, one is noun. It's like saying I see a sight. Yeah, kind of feel like that. Yeah.
地球は丸い。
Okay, Marui. This one is round, right? Yeah, round. Okay, so we have a number 9, right? And then a dot, and it becomes round, right? So like our pale blue dot, yeah, our pale blue dot together with 9 another 9 round marble. Yeah, together they form a gang called the solar system. Yeah, so you have Maru kind of from marble, right? Yeah, and then you have Gan from gang. That is the pronunciation named for the kanji. Yeah, and I'm counting Pluto as a planet. Yeah, and I find it also interesting that Maru here have a layer meaning that like harmonious, right, or balance, right? So yeah, I mean that is the same in English, right? So you have something like being all-rounded, right? So know it as being all-rounded, and then yeah, so the same is true in my mother tongue as well. So if you are describing something or someone as being round, they are balanced. Yeah, so it is a kind of the synonym between round and balance is kind of similar to how fruit is a synonym for result or success. Yeah, like 3 languages that I know, they have that meaning. Yeah, so far. Yeah,
英語
English language. Okay.
あなたは英語が話せますか
Yeah, Hanase. Okay. So just to be clear, this is different from the Hanasu that we know, right? This is actually Hanaseru, which mean to be able to speak, right? So kind of similar to Mieru or Kikoeru, right? So to be able to speak, to be able to see, to be able to hear. Yeah, Hanaseru. Yeah. So yeah, just know that.
その地域は今危険だ。
Okay. This region is currently dangerous. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, Kiken dangerous, and the audio is a bit messy as well. Yeah.
その地域は今危険だ。
Yeah, this is the actual sentence here. Right. So this region now dangerous.
普通
Fusu.
普通
This one means general, right? Yeah, general. Yeah, so this one means general, this one commute, right? General commute and become normal. Yeah. I mean, yeah, it gives a feeling of something that happened regularly every normal day. Yeah.
彼女は普通の女の子だ
Onanoko. Oh, Onanoko. Yeah, so yeah, girl, right? A girl. Yeah. And then we also have Otoko Noko, right? So we also learned that before, right? That's become a boy. Yeah.
説明
Explain? Yeah, explain. Okay.
この単語の意味を説明してください。
Yeah. Explain the meaning, right, of this word. Okay.
半分
Have
お菓子を友達に半分あげた
give friend, more like candy to friend, and then have give. Yeah. Yeah. Candy to friend, have give. Okay.
注意
Oh, okay. This one means paying attention, right? Yeah. So we have chu, similar to chumoku, right? I mean, yeah, intonation to comment, yeah. And then e from me or can, right? So this thought, and then yeah, pay attention with your thought and or pay attention with your eye. Yeah.
車に注意してください。
Yeah. Pay attention to the car, right? So watch out for the car. That's right.
安全
Okay. This one mean safe. Yeah. Yeah, safe. Yeah, so this one is cheap, but also another layer meaning that mean calm or peaceful or quiet. Yeah. Or relax. Yeah. Relax. And then yeah, I like the fact that this one and this one, they both make the sound and. Yeah, this one from te and, right? This one being proposal, and this one from and then both make the sound and. Yeah. Probably nothing.
市民の安全は大切だ。
Okay, the safety of the resident. Thai says big cut. Okay, important. Yeah, big cut, important. The citizens' safety is important. Okay. Yeah, big cut here. Yeah, so it means important. Yeah. And yeah, that's it for word from yesterday. Okay, so today I'm going to talk about tennis ball. Yeah. So I'm the one in charge of keeping tennis in our tennis group. So yeah, I have a few balls of tennis just lying around in my room. Yeah, use that ball of tennis. So a while back there is a shortage, and so we start suffering to different brand of tennis ball. And thanks to that, I got to experience the difference between them. Yeah. So the one I start out with and the one that our group is most familiar with is US Wilson. Yeah. So from my experience, these balls are very heavy. Yeah. So you have to really apply force, a lot of force for them to go through the other side of the court, and they are a bit slow. Yeah. So my style is where I just kind of redirect. Yeah. So this one where I have to apply force is not really compatible with my style of play. Yeah. But a few other guys in my group that really like to slap the ball. Yeah, they play very well with this heavy ball. Yeah. And then this one here is an Dunlop ATP, I guess. Yeah, these are really average, right? So yeah, we play with this for a very short while and actually don't have that much impression of it. Yeah, it is the cheapest, so yeah, it is the most affordable. And then next we try the Australian Open ball. Yeah, these are very light and fast. Yeah, with this ball, the play go by very fast. And I think this one very suit my style play, right? So I just have to try to find to place it, right? To where would be the most advantage to place it, and then the natural quickness of the ball will help me really take time away from the guy who try to hit huge grab shot. Yeah, so the Australian ball is very nice. Yeah, and then this is the current brand that we are using. Yeah, it's Tolon. Yeah. This is the first time that we try this type of ball, and apparently this is from France. Yeah. So, wow, okay, this one is pretty nice too. So we a mixture of both being quick, right, and heavy. Yeah. So with the AO, the ball is quick and it stay very low. And for this one, it is, I guess, in the middle between the AO ball and the US ball. Yeah. So this one, while being very fast, it could also be hit with a lot of top spin, yeah, to create huge shot. Yeah, so this one is very nice at the moment, and we're probably gonna stick with this one for a while longer. Yeah. And so yeah, part of the job is that I also have a lot of used box of tennis ball in my room. Yeah. So I try to find another use for them. Yeah, so one of the use is this. Yeah, so Wilson. Yeah, and he's always an US Wilson. And another use that I find is to make them into leverage, I guess, to make my computer at the same eye level as me. Yeah. more on that tomorrow. So yeah, there's about 4 box and I find use for 1 box, right? So somehow still need to find a way to make use of another 3 box. Okay, thank you very much for watching. As usual, I have a link in the version that led to the kanji diagram along with some other material I think could prove useful. If you have a mnemonic about any of the kanji, please don't hesitate to share it. See you tomorrow. Bye for now.
それじゃあ読んだろ。儀式に伴う危険性についても。
いや、まだそこまではたどり着いてない。
時間を操作すれば時間軸が分岐する。不安定な次元の裂け目が生まれ、空間パラドックスやタイムループが起きる。同じ瞬間を永遠に繰り返すことになり、存在自体がなくなってしまうこともあるんだぞ。
注意事項は最初に書いてもらわないと。
好奇心のせいで死ぬところだったぞ。